Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze your credit with Credit Karma. So to freeze your credit with Credit Karma, all you got to do is follow these simple steps. Step one is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the mobile app or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you want to click on the credit freeze tab. And here you can view your credit freeze options, and you can select the credit bureau that you want to freeze your credit with, and just follow the prompt to confirm the credit freeze. And you can use Credit Karma's credit freeze tool to monitor your credit and financial activity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to freeze your credit with Credit Karma. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.